Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Russian crude output is set to plunge by 1 million barrels a day, and oil prices could top $100 a barrel in 2023 amid sanctions and demand from China. The US dollar eased on as investors awaited the minutes from the last US Federal Reserve policy meeting, and the yen was at its strongest in 6 months amid speculation that the Bank of Japan might move away from its ultra-easy policy. Crypto market participants had few reasons to cheer in the last month of 2022, with a low attack and theft figure among one of them. December saw $62 million worth of tokens stolen, scammed or attacked, making it the least harmful month in 2022 in terms of money lost to nefarious activities.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1500 hours GMT. Germany's Import Price Index at 0700 hours GMT. The French Consumer Price Index will be released at 7:45 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.